From a client or consultant's outline proposal, Pipex will produce a comprehensive drawing of the pumping station, indicating all inlet connections, pumping equipment, and controls to suit project-specific requirements. From clients' project design drawings, Pipex produce a detailed CAD drawing, which is issued to the client for final approval. A dedicated project manager will liaise with the client throughout the project to provide design assistance and technical support. Product components are CNC machined as required for final assembly. Pipex CNC profiling maximizes the use of thermoplastics, minimizing waste streams. 100% of thermoplastic waste materials are collected for recycling into other products. Pipex uses the latest butt fusion technology to fast-track production of its thermoplastic reinforcement ribs. Profiles are fused together to form the reinforcement ribs, ready for welding onto the pumping station. Butt fusion welding equipment is used for high-quality manufacturing to produce pumping station diameters of any size. All pumping stations are manufactured to exact client specifications, with various options available, including steel or thermoplastic base reinforcement bars. All joints are prepared prior to internal extrusion welds, which provide a guaranteed fully welded fluid and gas tight pumping station. All Pipex operatives are certified to Thermoplastic Welder Institute (TWI) standards. Associated wastewater treatment tanks can be provided with fully welded sealed step irons. Pipex lightweight, high-strength pumping stations are easy to maneuver and require minimal heavy plant. Large pumping stations can be delivered as one piece or in sections for final site assembly. Pipex pumping stations can be supplied with thermoplastic reinforced lifting eyes to facilitate easy loading and unloading. Pipex will coordinate the logistics from factory to final destination. The pumping stations supplied to Trant for installation at the Creux Mahie wastewater treatment facility project in Guernsey consisted of 6 4-meter diameter by 7-meter deep chambers, which necessitated the traffic management of the roads leading from St. Peter's Port to the site in Creux Mahie. For ease of installation, the pumping stations were supplied in modular sections, with the base sections delivered to site in the first and second phase of the project. These units were installed prior to the delivery of the top sections during stage 3 and 4. The final sections of the pumping stations are carefully maneuvered and lowered onto the pre-installed thermoplastic base sections for Pipex field service engineers to perform final closing welds. Once installed, the finished pumping stations are inspected internally and externally by Pipex field engineers to ensure all welded joints are secure. The finished pumping stations are then filled with water and a visual inspection is made by the client of the final welding. The water will remain in the pumping station during the installation process in accordance with Pipex installation work instructions. The final assembled chamber is then surrounded by concrete and finished in accordance with client requirements. Pipex chambers have undergone third-party validation and testing. Pipex are an award-winning UK manufacturing company who will manage your project from conception to completion.